Good morning, Tucker. Good morning, everybody. So right now I'm going to put Tucker in his feeding bucket and I'm going to start explaining how I'm going to clean his tank. So this is the first video for how Mommy is going to clean Tucker's tank. So first, we are gonna leave Tucker there for a second and we're gonna go back here. This is the part that your parents can help with, but we normally turn off the light and the heat lamp. And today, we're also gonna shut off the power switch. So on this particular power switch, it is a timer for his heat lamp and his light. So it goes on during the day and at nighttime it goes off. It's programmed that way. But some of these cords, like this one here is for his heat lamp and this one here is for his light. So this side works on the timer and this side is on all the time. So the things that are plugged into this side are his two filters that run all the time because he's a messy turtle, remember? And this one, which is the heat stick that keeps the water at a good temperature for him. So we're gonna turn off all of this when we clean his tank. There's Tucker right there, see? I think he knows that his tank is gonna be clean today because he is coming right over to see what Mama's doing. All right. So I'm gonna take the light and the heat off. And I'm gonna take the top off. What is Mama up to? What am I doing today, huh? I think he knows that I'm gonna overhaul his room and make it look different. What do you think? Okay, Tucker. It's time to come out to your feeding bucket. See how he tucks himself in? Yeah. Sorry about that. I got my finger in the way there for a minute. Okay. Look at him. He's in there. He's like, all right, where is the food? Or there used to be a commercial when I was a kid that said, where's the beef? It was kind of silly. Hello, Tucker. Put in some turtle food for him. All right. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about how we get the water out of Tucker's tank. So stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.